Hey guys, today we have 2010 Infinity QX56. Um, so we're gonna do a VIN registration. We replace the ECU for these, so when you pull up the computer, it's reading the VIN number from the new ECU. So we're gonna change it from the whatever the battery chassis VIN number. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna be using this Autel IM508. Let's turn it on. First thing, let's go ahead turn on the car. Put it to on position. Alright. And then let's go ahead get this programmer loaded. There you go. Let me see a good one here. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna turn off the fan. Let's turn it off. Turn off the radio so it doesn't kill. We have a battery maintenance in the front. Alright, so what we're gonna do, let's go to diagnostic. And let's go to auto detect. Where can you have the VIN number? Infinity Asia. Then accept. Alright, so right now when we pull it, it's gonna pull the VIN number from the ECU, which is that the ECU 7573. This is the donor.
Let me double check with you.
Okay, we're gonna double check. But we're gonna look up by the door. We're gonna register the ECU from whatever the VIN number from by the door. So here you're gonna take a picture real quick. I believe this is the VIN number on the computer because we connected this to the OBD.
This is 5849.
Okay, so we're gonna make it a 5849. All right, let's go continue with these. We're just gonna go continue, press OK, and just acknowledge yes. We actually made the key for this already, so that's the first thing you're gonna do. Program the key to the car, but we already did that, so this car is run and drive. However, the VIN number is still not registered to the car. So let's go to diagnosis. Let's go to control unit. Then you can go to here, it says engine. Go to engine. Alright, the diagnostic system initializing. I'll make sure you have a good battery. Right now we have 12. So then we're gonna go to special functions. Then let's go scrolling here. There you go. As you can see here, this is VIN registration. Let's click the VIN registration. So it's gonna read, as you can see, the first VIN number. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
We need the VIN number. Okay, this is the first time VIN number. This is the VIN number that an ECU. And we're going to change this one. So let me erase this one real quick. And then we're gonna put 5 and 3 ZA 0 NE 5AN 5AN 90905849. So this is the VIN number in the car. that you see on the door jamb. So you input that first, press enter, press OK, and then the second time we're gonna do it one more time. I think this is it. We already wrote it down. 5N3 ZAONE905849, right? So click that one again, and then press OK. Command completed. That's OK. So the input VIN is the 58905849. All right, let's press escape. What we're gonna do, let's go back. Let's keep going back all the way to the beginning. Exit, escape, exit. What we're gonna do is, let's go exit all the way through. If you go diagnostic, let's go to VIN check, auto detect. We'll see what it will do.
Is it ticket or not?
Okay, Infinity Asia. Accept. $905,849.
Very good.
All right, that's it. That's all you need to do. So when you replace the ECU, whatever you need to replace here, BCM, whatever, this can VIN change it. And that's easy. Let's go ahead, start it.
Yeah.
Let's start the car. All right. So you know what? If you want, we can go ahead get a different programmer. Let's check it if it get the right VIN number again. All right. Let's go back.